Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a lot of you have been asking about, sport watch bands. Specifically, we're checking out the Surundo sport watch band, touted for its skin-friendly softness and sporty design. Now, I've been wearing this band for a while now, putting it through its paces from workouts to everyday wear, and I'm ready to share my thoughts. First impressions? It's incredibly lightweight. You almost forget you're wearing it. The silicone material is super smooth and flexible, and it genuinely feels comfortable against the skin, even after extended wear. I've had issues with some sport bands causing irritation, especially during sweaty workouts, but I haven't experienced that with this Surundo band. Big plus there. The folding clasp is another standout feature. It feels secure and hasn't come undone accidentally, which is a must-have for any watch band, especially one designed for active use. It's also easy to adjust for a perfect fit. I appreciate the simplicity of the design. It's not flashy or overly complicated, which I personally prefer. Now, let's talk about durability. This is where I was a little hesitant at first. The band feels soft, almost delicate, and I wonder how it would hold up to regular wear and tear. I'm happy to report that it's been surprisingly resilient. I've worn it during runs, weightlifting sessions, even while swimming, and it's showing no signs of damage. The color hasn't faded, and the material hasn't stretched out. One thing to note is that the listing mentions it's for both men and women. While the design is definitely unisex, it might feel a bit bulky on smaller wrists. It's something to consider if you have a particularly slim wrist. They do offer different sizes, so double-check the measurements before you buy. Overall, the Surundo sport watch band has impressed me. It delivers on its promise of comfort and durability, and the folding clasp provides a secure and reliable fit. It's a great option for anyone looking for a comfortable and affordable sport band. The simple, understated design is a bonus for those who prefer a minimalist look. Is it the absolute best sport band on the market? Well, that's subjective, but it's definitely up there in terms of value and performance. It's a solid choice that I can confidently recommend. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the band, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.